This is magic square. It can be used for sorting, pattern making, addition, subtraction, concepts of multiplication, division, coordinate geometry, and a lot of other things. Let's see some of them here. First is sorting. So there are 10 colored coins in this. These are EVA foams, which are very soft like sponge, and it does not absorb water. So it is easy to wash them. You just collect them in a pillow cover, close it, and throw it in the washing machine. For sorting, it can be put in a bowl or simply spread like that. Let the child separate them as per separate colors. This is a very good exercise. For understanding colors. Like this. Then we do patterns. Suppose you give to the child something you make like this. Let them extend in the same color, or you give them these colors then. Let them extend the rest of it, or you tell them I've made it into these colors, you use some other color. This is pattern making. You can also use different type of patterns. Then they can also make their own patterns in this full mat. Like maybe them replicate it, extend it to the entire mat, anything like that. Then for addition, you ask them how much is 2 plus 5. So they take 2 coins of one color, 3 coins of the other color. So total it makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, for subtraction, suppose you tell them to subtract 8 minus 3. So they put 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then they reduce 3 from this. How much is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. Now we learn how multiplication can be done using this. So suppose we have a question where there are 3 boys. Each of them get 2 apples each. How many apples are needed in all together? So this becomes 1 person, second person, and third person. So let the first person get 2 apples. Similarly, second person gets 2 apples more. And the third person gets 2 apples. How much it makes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. So the answer is 6. Similarly, there is a question we can do on division. So suppose we have now 10 apples. Let the child divide them into 3 persons and ask them how many apples are left after dividing them into 3 students or boys or people. So they take this person becomes 1, first person, second person, third person. So they first give it to the first person, Then they give 1 to the second person, the third person. Then again they start with the first person, second person, third person. So all 3 got, then again we go to the further round. Goes to first, third, 3 rounds over, then 1 is left. Now 1 only the first person gets, so there is nothing left for the other 2 people. So this is an extra 1, which is the remainder, and each of them gets 3. So the quotient is 3, and the remainder is 1. Thank you for watching.